आरबीएल बँकेचे एटीएम हॅक करून 9.2 लाख रुपया एटीएमांतल्यान चोरून पळ काडपी मुबारक मोहम्मद मेवात हांका गुन्यांव फाटल्यान शेनवारा हरियाणाच्यान अटक केल्या। पुलीस निरीक्षक देवेंद्र व्ही पिंगले, हेड कॉन्स्टेबल योगेश खांडेपारकार हांच्या मार्गदर्शना खाला ही कारवाय केली।
So yesterday we were able to apprehend a criminal, a cyber criminal from Mewat in Haryana. So Mewat is one of those strongholds where there are lots of cyber criminals. We keep on hearing places like Jantara, Bharatpur, Mewat, which have become hotspots of cyber criminals, and over the time it has become difficult to catch accused from there. So to put it into context, to catch one accused from the village, you need 7 to 8 police vehicles with armed policemen inside so that you can catch an accused. Otherwise, people gang up in protecting their neighbors. So, in Cybercrime Police Station, we registered an offence in the month of October, wherein the ATMs of Ratnakar Bank Limited, RBL, they were tampered and around 9 lakh rupees were withdrawn using the vulnerability by capitalizing on the vulnerability in the RBL network. So we obtained the complaint, and based on CCTV footage we identified 2 individuals who are roaming around different ATMs which were situated in secluded places during odd hours of the night, and they withdrew money amounting to 9 lakhs by identifying a particular vulnerability in their ATM network. So in pursuance of that, we used different kind of intelligence gathering mechanism, technical as well as human, and also consulted other state police where such offences were reported, and we were able to identify 2 criminals from Mewat.